Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Wrapped in Christmas, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Wrapped in Christmas, and we're going to be using Christmas blessings to you and yours, and this is a super simple card, but it's also very elegant at the same time. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 1.5 by 4 3/4. And I have my banner triple punch, and I'm just going to push that in, and I'll flip it around here. And I believe that I measured that right. So I have my Versamark ink pad, and we're going to be embossing. So I have my grid paper here. I have our stamp mounted on clear black H. So just like that, I am going to come in with my silver embossing powder. So just like that, pour this back in. And I believe this is my first Christmas card of the season. Have you all started y'all's yet? All right, let's get this heat gun going and give it a chance to warm up. All right. Excuse me. Now we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of the silver foil, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of the plush poinsettia, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I come in with my Stampin' Seal. And we're just going to put this on top. Just like that. I'm going to get it from behind, give it a good rub down. Oops. All right, and our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to pop this up. And I haven't tested to see if it will stick on this raised part, so hopefully it does. If not, we'll figure something else out. And it does. Let's see. I don't think that it needs any embellishments. So there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!